JK Paper Ltd, a leading paper solution provider. With a market cap of 6,484 crore rupees, and currently trading at 383 rupees per share. The company has a 28% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 38% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company was established in the year 1962. They are based in New Delhi, with more than 1,500 employees, and 5,900 workers. They have 3 manufacturing units, located in Orissa, Gujarat, and Telangana. The company provides paper solutions for packaging, writing and printing, and copier segment. When compared to fiscal year 2022, the sales of packaging segment grew by 100%, writing and printing by 46%, and copier segment by 23%. The company is market leader in copier segment with 30% market share, 20% for packaging, and 11% for writing and printing segment. Company is focused on eco-friendly packaging, with expansion to 291,000 tons per annum in just a year. The performance of the company in fiscal year 2021 was disrupted due to COVID-19. However, the company is now showing good signs of recovery. The profits of the company almost tripled in last 4 years. The company is giving good dividends every year. They also did multiple buybacks in fiscal year 2020. Comparing shareholding pattern for last 4 quarters, there has been no change in the promoters' holding. We can see good portion of foreign investments in the company, and some domestic investments, which are slowly increasing from quarter to quarter. Some clients of the company are Accenture, Wipro, Bennett & Coleman, State Bank of India, HP, Cipla, Infosys, S. Chand Group, and many more. Coming to some key highlights. In 2021, company signed Memorandum of Understanding with IIT Delhi to set up JK Paper Center of Excellence in Paper and Packaging. In 2023, they acquired 85% stake in Horizon Packs Private Limited and Securopax Packaging Limited to expand their offering in corrugated packaging segment. Their current production capacity is 761,000 tons per annum. They have distribution network of over 350 trade partners and 4,000 dealers. Company exports to more than 60 countries covering USA, Middle East, Europe, Southeast Asia, and Africa. The revenue concentration of the company is 7% from exports and 93% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.